In Django, how do I check if a user is in a certain group? I created a custom group in Django's admin site. In my code, I want to check if a user is in this group. How do I do that?
Your user object is linked to the group object through a metatomony relationship. You can thereby apply the filter method to user.groups. So, to check if a given user is in a certain group member, for the example, just do this. If you want to check if a given user belongs to more than one given groups, use the __ in operator like so. Note that those functions can be used with the @user_passes_test decorator to manage access to your views. For class-based views, you might use userPassesTestMixin with test_func method. Hope this helped.
You can access the group simply through the group's attribute on user. Then user.groups.all returns. Alternatively, and more directly, you can check if a user is in a group by note that group name can also be the actual Django group object.
If you don't need the user instance on site, as I did, you can do it with. This will produce only one request to the database and return a Boolean.
If you need the list of users that are in a group, you can do this instead. And then check. To check if the user is in the group. Update 2023. Looking at this solution 10 years later, I'm pretty sure that I would not want to ever to fetch a whole list of users like this. It's something that would be problematic at scale. You would only want to fetch a list of users in a very specific use case where there were assurances that the list of users was going to remain small, or if you were just using the Django shell.
If a user belongs to a certain group or not, can be checked in Django templates using %if group in request.user.groups.all %o. Some action. %end of %o.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.